By name, I'm called Akello Gloria. My dream was to be as a two-person in one, but the first dream of mine was to become as a lawyer, and the second one was to be an artist, a person who draws things and wild animals. And it is here, as I can say it for you, it is kangaroo and cobra is my second dream. I want to become as a person who can draw all animals. And yeah, and the reason for that is that sometimes I may fail in one of my career, but this one is easy for me to get some money and make money for myself, and it can even help me to live my life. Today it was really so good. At first I was confused, I don't know what to do, and when I just found myself drawing these animals, the pictures, I realized that it is my career to do, to become as an artist, drawing animals, drawing everything's objects and designing things. And I know that it's part of my career, and yeah, that's what I learned from today's lesson.